Welcome to SLD online class 7th standard general science. We were on the chapter 3rd properties of natural resources. In my last video I had explained you the half of the chapter. Today I am going to continue the explanation. Temperature regulation. The earth receives energy from the sun. This energy reflected by the earth in the form of heat. The constitution of the air surrounding the earth, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, absorb a part of this heat and give it to the other constitution of the air. As a result, the earth's surface remains warm and thereby becomes suitable for the living world on the earth. If there were no air on the earth, the average temperature of the earth's surface could have been very low. What earth receives the energy from the sun? The earth is getting the energy from the sun, and the energy is reflected by the earth in the form of the earth that get energy in the form of from the sun is in the form of heat. That heat that surrounding the constitution of the earth, and now the vapor, carbon dioxide, absorb all the heat and give the energy to the air also. The earth's surface remains warm. So the earth's surface is warm because the heat is divided into the air and the earth is warm. So otherwise, if the average temperature of the earth's surface could not has been below, if there will be no air, the average could not be in the very low. क्या होता है टेम्परेचर रेगुलेशन? मतलब अर्थ को सन से हीट मिलता है. वो हीट मिलने से क्या होता है, वो हीट बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है. तो अर्थ क्या करता है, वो हीट मिलने से जो एयर में जितने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रहते हैं, जितने भी गैसेस एयर में प्रेजेंट है, वो डिवाइड हो जाता है. वो अपने में डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. डिवाइड होने के बाद क्या होता है, हीट डिवाइड हो गया. हीट डिवाइड होने के वजह से क्या होता है, उतना ही हीट मिलता है अर्थ को जो ह्यूमन बीइंग बर्दाश्त कर सके. अगर एयर नहीं रहता था तो यहाँ का टेम्परेचर, जो एवरेज टेम्परेचर रहता था, वो बहुत लो नहीं रह सकता था. ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ साउंड. All the sounds that we hear reach us through the surrounding air. The density of the air also changes due to the change in its temperature. In winter, the density of air increases. We can hear the whistles of a distant train clearly early in the morning. In winter, air is useful as a media for the transmission of the sound. What transmission of the sound means? We can hear a sound from the surrounding. The density of the sound air will changes time in the during the temperature. According the seasonal, the density also changes. We can hear the train's noise, the whistle of the train. In a winter season, in a morning we can hear the sound of the train, but in a summer season we can't hear. So air is the media of transmission of the sound. क्या होता है ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ द साउंड? मतलब क्या है, हम लोग बहुत सारे आवाज़ सुनते हैं. अभी विंटर सीजन में क्या होता है, उसका जो डेंसिटी रहता है एयर का, वो डिफर होता है, चेंज होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेम्परेचर. तो विंटर सीजन में क्या होता है, डेंसिटी बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है एयर का. तो उसके वजह से कोई भी हम लोग आवाज़, अभी आपके घर के आसपास कहीं ट्रेन का स्टेशन होगा, तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है, ट्रेन अब चलता है तो उसका जो आवाज़ होता है वो हमें सुनाई देता है मॉर्निंग में. वही समर में हमें नहीं सुनाई देता है. ये हमारे एयर का प्रॉपर्टीज़ था कि एयर कैसे हमें हेल्पफुल है, कैसे हम एयर फील करते हैं, क्या क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट हम कर सकते हैं. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ वाटर. वाटर अकर इन लिक्विड स्टेट अंडर ऑर्डिनरी कंडीशन. वाटर इज अ फ्यूल सब्सटेंस. वाटर डज नॉट हैज इट्स ओन शेप बट हैज अ वॉल्यूम. It can pass through the small hole or sweep through very small gap or a crack. On pouring water in an oil clutch dish, water does not spread but from small round drop. Why does this happen? What is the water? Water is a liquid. It is in a liquid state, and it is a fuel. When you it has a volume, but it do not have any shape. What happen if there is a small hole also? Water can pass there, and if there is a small gap also, water can pass. ओके, वाटर क्या है? एक लिक्विड स्टेट में रहता है वाटर, और फ्लूइड स्टेट में उसको शेप नहीं है और उसको वॉल्यूम है. कोई भी छोटा भी गैप रहेगा या होल रहेगा, वाटर उसमें पास होता है. और अगर आप ऑयल में पानी वाटर डालोगे, क्या होता है? वो नहीं स्प्रेड होता है. See, they have shown an experiment. Take a plastic bottle more than half full of water. Mark the making ice. Mark the water level on the bottle. Keep this bottle upright in the freezer for making ice. Open the freezer after a couple of hours. Observe. You will see that the water has changed into ice. Note the level of the ice. You will find that the ice level is higher than the water level before frozen. What do you infer by this? What happened? They have shown given an example. Take a water bottle, plastic water bottle, and more than a half of water you are going to fill it, the half of the bottle, and going to keep into the fridge. After keeping in the fridge, you will make it as a ice. You see, after few couple of hours, what you will see that the ice, it has become an ice, and the level, you are going to make a level. What happened? You will see the ice level is more than the water level. जब वो फ्रीज हो जाता है, आपको बॉटल लेना है, वो हाफ ऑफ द बॉटल पानी भर के आपको फ्रीजर में रखना है. जब आप फ्रीजर में रखोगे तो क्या होगा? वो आइस क्यूब बन जाता है. आइस क्यूब बनने के बाद क्या होता है? जो आप वाटर लेवल था, वो आइस लेवल जो है वाटर लेवल से भी हायर रहता है जब फ्रीज हो जाता है. तो as water freeze to form ice, it expands and its volume increases. On freezing, how much was the increase in the volume of the water? In what proportion did it increase? जब फ्रीज होता है तो उसके बाद क्या होता है? उसका वॉल्यूम जो रहता है इंक्रीज हो जाता है. The point of the freezing will be more than the water level. Take a bucket of water, drop many different kinds of articles in it. Make separate list of the articles which sink in the water and those that float on the water. See, they have shown in the picture that they are telling an experiment. Okay, take a water, half a bucket of water, and drop articles in that, and you are going to note what are the articles they are sunk into the water, which are floating on the water. And third, take some water in a pot and add a few pieces of ice to it. Observe what happens. Why do you see the ice float on the water? See, you are going to take an experiment. Take a water in a pot and you are going to put a few drops of ice. What you will see? You will see that the ice will be float on the water. Why this so? Why this happen? See, why this happen? The ice is lighter than water. When water freeze to form ice, it become lighter than the original liquid. When water freeze, that is when it is transformed into the solid state, its volume increases. However, the density of the ice is lesser than the water. That is why the ice float on the water. What happened? The ice is lighter than the water, so it float on the water. क्या होता है? क्यों वो फ्लोट होता है? क्योंकि वो आइस क्यूब जो रहते हैं पानी से भी, वो पानी का वॉल्यूम क्या रहता है? ज़्यादा रहता है. और आइस क्यूब का वॉल्यूम कम रहता है, इसीलिए वो फ्लोट होता है वाटर के ऊपर। डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर, the inner relation between the volume of the mass of a substance, the space occupied by a substance in its volume, the store of the matter in a substance is its mass. क्या है? What is the density of water? Density is equals to mass by volume. What is the mass? Mass is measured in the gram and the volume is cubic centimeter. Hence, density equals to gm by cc. Hence, G by cc is the unit of the density. If the mass of 1 liter of water is 1 kilogram, then what is the density? They have given one. What is the density of water? They have given the formula. Mass by volume is the formula, and gram by volume. They have given the density of water formula, that is mass by volume, and they have given the unit of density, that is gram per cubic centimeter. This is the cc they have given, that means cubic centimeter, and g is the gram. This is the unit of the density. यहाँ पे आपको डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर का फॉर्मूला दिया गया, वो है मास बाय वॉल्यूम, और उसका यूनिट क्या है, डेंसिटी ऑफ यूनिट क्या है, ग्राम बाय क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर। यहाँ पे देखो सीसी दिए हैं ना, उसको क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर कहते हैं। Anomalous behavior of water. Usually, when the temperature of a substance is lower, its density increases as the volume decreases. But water is an expression to its rules. What happens when the temperature of the substance is lower? The density of the volume, or the density increases and the volume decreases. Okay? क्या होता है, जब सब्सटेंस का टेम्परेचर लोअर होता है तो डेंसिटी क्या होता है, इंक्रीज होता है, वॉल्यूम क्या होता है, डिक्रीज हो जाता है। कीप अ ग्लास फुल ऑफ वाटर इन अ फ्रीजर फॉर 5 to 10 minutes, then take it out and observe it carefully. If you will keep a glass of water in a freezer for 10 to 5 minutes, you can see that there will be a ice will get freeze down in the glass. क्या होता है, आप 5 या 10 मिनट के लिए आप ग्लास जब फ्रीज़र में रखोगे, आपका पानी पूरा नहीं होगा, ठंडा हो जाएगा पानी, लेकिन नीचे जो क्या होता है, पानी जब आप गिरा दोगे, थोड़ा छोटा छोटा पार्टिकल्स जो रहता है, आइस क्यूब, वहाँ पतला सा आइस क्यूब बन जाता है। द डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर इज पेक्यूलर when water at normal temperature start cooling, its density increases, like that of most liquid. However, it is the temperature fall below 4 degrees Celsius, its density start decreasing. This means that the density of the water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of water is lower below 4 degrees Celsius, its density decreases and the volume increases. It means the water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius. This is the anomalous behavior of the water. What happened? Density of water is peculiar. Peculiar में अजीब रहता है, वो पानी जो डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर है वो अजीब है, अनोखा टाइप का रहता है। When the water at the normal temperature start cooling, the density increases. The normal temperature of it cools now, then the density also increases. And when it falls 4 degrees Celsius, its density start decreasing. When it falls down the 4 degrees Celsius, then the water density decreases. And when it is the maximum in the 4 degrees Celsius temperature below, what the temperature of water below the 4 degrees Celsius, the density decreases and the volume increases. क्या होता है, जब 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर वाटर का टेम्परेचर रहता है तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है, डेंसिटी डिक्रीज होता है और वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज होता है। इसे ही कहते हैं द अनुमिनस बिहेवियर ऑफ द वाटर. Take 2 big glass of water, add 4 to 5 spoons of salt to the water in a small glass and dissolve it completely. Now place a potato in the water in the second glass. The potato will sink. What happened? You are going to take a 2 big glass of water. In 1 glass of water you are going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of salt. Dissolve it completely. Now take a potato. You are going to take a potato and you are going to put it in a second glass. What will happen? The potato will sink down. It will go and sit down. Take out the potato from that glass and put it in the salt water and observe. The density of the water in that glass is greater due to the dissolved salt. The potato float in that water because of the increase in density. What happened? Then you are going to take out the potato that you have put in the second glass. You can see in the picture. What will happen if you then you are going to take that potato from that glass and you are going to put that potato in the that glass where you have in the first glass you have dissolved the salt. In that glass you are going to put the potato. What will happen? The potato will sink because the density has increased. The water density has increased, so the potato will sink. आपको क्या करना है? 2 ग्लास लेना है. एक ग्लास में आपको सादा पानी रखना है और एक ग्लास में आपको पानी में सॉल्ट मिला के रखना है. तो अभी आप पोटैटो लोगे ना, पहले सादा पानी में डालोगे. सादा पानी में डालोगे तो क्या होगा? पोटैटो जो रहता है वो अंदर जाके बैठ जाएगा, नीचे बैठ जाएगा. वही पोटैटो आप निकाल के जिसमें आप सॉल्ट नमक मिलाए हो ना, वो वाले पानी में डालो तो क्या होगा? वो पोटैटो फ्लोट करेगा, ऊपर ही रहेगा, वो अंदर नहीं बैठेगा, क्योंकि आप उसमें सॉल्ट मिलाए ना. सॉल्ट मिलाने से उसका डेंसिटी क्या हुआ? इंक्रीज हुआ है, इसीलिए ऐसा होता है. इन द अबव एक्टिविटी द सॉल्ट डिसॉल्व्ड इन द वाटर इन द ग्लास that is in disappear. What happen when it disappear like this? What happened when in the glass you have added the salt? It will disappear. Then what happened when the salt dissolve in the water? Its particles spread in the water. Slowly they become smaller and smaller. Ultimately they become a smaller that they cannot see. That is they mix completely with water. That is what is dissolving. What will happen when you dissolve the salt in the water? It completely disappear. It slowly it will become small and it completely disappears. So this is only known as the dissolving. It dissolves into the water. It mix completely into the water. So we will call it as a dissolving. क्या होता है? आप जब सॉल्ट पानी में मिलाओगे तो क्या होता है? वो धीरे धीरे करके वो पानी में मिल जाता है, वो दिखता ही नहीं है. ऐसे आप शुगर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप शुगर नींबू पानी पीते हो तो शुगर आप जब आप मिलाओगे पानी में तो क्या होता है? वो शुगर धीरे धीरे करके क्या होता है? पानी में ही मिल जाता है ना, तो शुगर नहीं दिखता है. तो इसे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? डिसॉल्विंग. सोल्यूट द सब्सटेंस दैट डिसॉल्व, दैट इज नोन एज सोल्यूट. Solvent, the substance in which the solute dissolve is known as solvent. Solution, what do we get when the solute dissolves in the solvent? क्या solute क्या है? जो substance dissolves होता है उसे हम लोग solute कहते हैं. जैसे salt अभी हम पानी में dissolve करेंगे उसको हम लोग solute कहते हैं. सॉल्वेंट मतलब क्या है? जिसमें हम लोग डिसॉल्व, सल्यूट को जिसमें हम डिसॉल्व कर रहे हैं, पानी में डिसॉल्व कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए हम लोग उसे सॉल्वेंट कहते हैं. सॉल्यूशन क्या है? जो सॉल्यूशन मतलब कौन सा सब्सटेंस हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. सॉल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट दोनों को मिला के हम लोग सॉल्यूशन बोलते हैं.